in Life Tech. We give you tips, tricks, and show you hacks based on your tech world.
Hi, my name is Zane. In this video, I'll be showing how to download and install Play Store on your laptop or PC. Please watch the video to the end to see the complete process. Let's get started. Open your favorite browser. On the search bar, type in BlueStacks. Choose the first option on the list. Then you'll be redirected to the BlueStacks.com website. You see that you can choose to download BlueStack 10 or BlueStack 5. But the difference between the two is BlueStack 10 is a cloud-based platform, while BlueStack 5 allows you to download apps on your PC. Click on the BlueStack 5 and the download will start immediately. When it's finished downloading, double-click on it to start the installation process. Once the installation process is finished, open BlueStacks. You'll see the Play Store icon. Click to open it. Sign into your Play Store account. I agree. Accept. Now you have successfully signed into your Play Store account. At this moment, you're free to search and download any Play Store app you want to download on your local PC. Thanks for watching. Please, if this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new video. Please leave your comments at the comment section below.
If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more and better videos like this.